root beer? Me, John. I know you think you have it all together. You have a wonderful rich flavor with just a hint of vanilla. You have a delightfully foamy top. You have just enough fizzy bubbles to make it fun to drink. But let's be honest, root beer, you're missing something, aren't you? No, it's not caffeine. You don't need caffeine. You know what you need. I do. I'll tell you what you need. It's ice cream.
Oh, this is the best thing you can ever do.
It's ice cream.
So root beer flavor. Wait, can I have it? Go. Oh, the root beer flavor is amazing. Can I have it? I don't dance on it.
Guys, shh. You're worried about the wrong thing. You're
That's right,
worried
Root Beer.
about
I
listening.
can hear you bubbling with excitement. You always knew you needed it. And now at last, you're ready to accept it. Ready to take the plunge. Ready for the most important decision of your life. Ice cream. Just say the word, root beer. You can have a new life, not as a root beer, but a root beer float.
John?
Yes, Cassie?
Are you talking to the root beer?
No.
It really sounds to me like you were talking to the root beer. That it's missing something?
Isn't it though, Cassie? It needed ice cream. It was completely lost without it.
I don't know. I kind of like my root beer the way it is. But I do know this. I was completely lost without something in my life. You know what I'm talking about?
Ice cream?
No.
Oh, I know you mean. Jesus.
That's right. Root beer is great with or without ice cream.
Trust me, it's greater with.
But without Jesus, I am nothing. And I'm so glad I have him in my life.
I hear you. Jesus makes all the difference. He changes us just like the root beer.
No, it's a little bit different. But I see the point you're trying to make.
It's just too bad you don't want to share any.
Who said I don't want any?
Hey, get back here with that change for the better root beer.
Oh, come on. We'll get 2 straws and share.